What's the meaning of arriviste? Arriviste. Arriviste.
Arriviste. Arriviste. Arriviste is a noun that refers to someone who has recently achieved success or wealth and is considered to be unsophisticated, pushy, or lacking in social grace. The term typically has a negative connotation and is often used to describe someone who has used questionable means to attain their position. Arrivistas are sometimes seen as lacking in the qualities of true leadership, such as integrity and humility. In short, an arrivista is someone who has risen to prominence quickly, but without the necessary skills or experience to truly excel in their field.